This whole section was on fire over here.
No, you touch it. You touch it. Touch it.
You're supposed to be here at 8.
Change your plans.
All right, welcome back to the channel. Me and Aiden are on our way to get Luke, who is apparently having truck trouble. He's supposed to meet me at my house. And we're gonna go from there. We're gonna go pick him up, reverse the list, and work our way back towards my house. This week is all mowing, but I told the guys that if we can get done fast enough, that I'll take them to the lake and go fishing. So let's see what we can do.
Hey guys, it's Luke here. I was not late to work this morning. Perfectly on time. Perfectly on time. Okay. I don't know why you're laughing up there.
Oh,
they're crazy, man.
My bad, yeah. Luke was here first.
John Tom?
Yeah, you had to pick us up, remember?
See, I told y'all.
All right, so we're in our first yard for the day, and it's in the little tiny town of Pineville. And for some reason, it's right beside the school, and there is a bazillion cars there. So we had to park a ways away, and I'm gonna make the boys. I dropped that Luke off to weed eat, and then I'm sending Aiden to go mow. I'm gonna wait here with the truck so nobody steals anything. I wonder if they have.
How bad is this gonna hurt?
It don't hurt like bad.
I mean, it's
just-
gonna make me.
It's gonna scare you. No, it's gonna scare you, and it's gonna hurt a little bit.
It's like like you go retarded for a second.
Fucking.
No, I'm not doing
Let's
it.
do it. Let's do it.
Touch it.
No, you touch it.
Touch it.
You touch it.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Touch it.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
All right, so I'm gonna give you all a little recap of what just happened. So we're pulling onto this road, and we notice there's like rubber on fire in the middle of the road. So I'm thinking, or we're thinking, that somebody's pulling a locked up like utility trailer with a locked up tire, and it's been dragging, and it's caught on fire a little bit. That's what I think. That's what we was all thinking.
Yeah, we thought it was 100B.
And we turned down that road, and we're following the trail of this molten tire this whole way. And all of a sudden, we see smoke like billowing up from this brush over behind our mall here, and the black line followed it into the brush. So it was like, what is going on? That's on fire. We probably need to call 911. So I called 911. Aiden and Luke just bail out of the truck. Turns out it's a semi tire. They bail out with the fire extinguishers. It's a semi tire has fallen off the back end of the truck, rolled into the brush, and is currently on fire. And it was so hot that it was melting the rim.
Yeah.
And so they're out there putting it out. They're trying to get it out of the brush. So they tie roped or one of our toe straps to it and pull it out into the grass where we can see what's going on, so it quits catching the brush on fire. In the meantime, I'm on the phone with 911, and they've sent me this link to where now I can live stream what's happening. They can dispatch guys to us. It was pretty wild.
Loki burnt his hand. I burnt my hand.
You burnt your hands?
we were trying to get it out. We couldn't get it.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, we saved the concrete plant.
All right, so this is the last day. We gotta get everything finished, or the boys don't get to go fishing with me.
We're going.
I'm going fishing, but they'll have to stay and work tomorrow.
That's not an option.
So we got our big motor back, and so we should be running a lot faster now. So we'll keep going, and we'll see what happens. All right, boys, well, we were able to get it all done. So now Luke and me and Aiden are gonna go try to fish the Tennessee River. We'll see y'all in a minute.